Okay, more breaking news coming in where we are now getting CCTV footage of the dastardly murder of a Congress worker in Rohtak in Rajasthan. In Haryana, sorry. The prime accused Sachin is now seen dragging the suitcase which contained the body of the Congress worker. This, remember, had happened, CCTV footage from 10:17 p.m. on February 28. There you can see the accused Sachin, who allegedly killed the Congress worker Himani and was taking her body in a suitcase. This happened on Sunday, and now more details are coming out of the manner in which this terrible crime has taken place. Shocking details emerging in the murder case of Haryana Congress leader Himani Narwal. According to the police, Himani met her killer and boyfriend Sachin on the social media platform Meta. Sources indicating two had a heated argument on February 28, which ultimately led to Sachin fatally attacking Himani. He's been apprehended by the police. Here's a report.
A twist in the probe into the murder of a Congress worker from Haryana. 22-year-old Himani Narwal's body was found inside a suitcase near Sampla bus stand on Rohtak Delhi highway on March 1st. The police say Himani was allegedly murdered by Sachin, who met her on the social media platform Meta. The two had become friends. On February 27th, Sachin allegedly stayed at Himani's house, but things took a dark turn the following day. On February 28th, the two allegedly had an argument that escalated into violence. Sachin allegedly tied Himani with a dupatta and strangled her using a mobile charger cable. After the murder, Sachin allegedly stuffed Himani's body into a suitcase, took her gold ring, chain and mobile phone and fled the scene. The police have arrested Sachin. During questioning, Sachin alleged that Himani had been blackmailing and extorting large sums of money from him.
वही यही बता रहा है कि मेरी उसके साथ झगड़ा हो गया, बोलचाल होगी और बोलचाल के अंदर उसने उसका गला दबा दिया। डेथ करने के बाद जो उसके जेवर थे, लैपटॉप था, वो वहां से लेके निकल गया था और उसके बाद उसने ये देखा कि भाई किस तरह से बॉडी को ठिकाने लगाया जाए ताकि किसी को पता ना लगे। तो वो सब एक दूसरे से लिंक्ड और सर्कमस्टेंशियल एविडेंस हैं और वो खुद भी मान गया इस बात।
Himani's tragic death has sent shockwaves across the political community, especially within the Congress party. Himani's family remains inconsolable.
आरोपी तो मैं बता रही हूँ, हाँ कोई है और अपना ही है, नजदीकी है, चाहे वो पार्टी से जुड़ा हो, चाहे दोस्त हो, कॉलेज का हो या कोई मतलब रिश्तेदार हो। उसके साथ क्या हुआ, क्या नहीं हुआ, किसने क्या किया, जो पकड़ा गया है उसने भी कुछ गलत हरकत करने की कोशिश करी, उसने एक्शन उठाया है तो उसके साथ कुछ गलत हादसा हुआ है। मैं ये मतलब 100% कह सकती हूँ, वो किसी का एक लफ्ज भी गलत बर्दाश्त नहीं करती थी।
अब तक ना ही तो पुलिस को कोई सुराग पड़ा, ना ही कांग्रेस पार्टी या कोई एक आदमी हमारे पास आया, ना भूपेंद्र हुड्डा, भूपेंद्र सिंह हुड्डा की वाइफ, ना और कोई कांग्रेस पार्टी का एक भी सदस्य हमारे पास अब तक नहीं आया है।
The new claims by the alleged killer have deepened the mystery surrounding Himani Narwal's death. Bureau Report, India Today.